It's any commercial operator. You have to prove to transport that you have some sort of aviation required knowledge.
Tailored to the client. Does the client already have all the legal part put aside and he's got an SFOC, he doesn't need the compliant training anymore, because that will be a course that we offer. When we have a client starting out with us, he buys a UAV, we got a training program together. The advantage when somebody comes to the training here is it's a more hands-on and a better interaction with the flight instructor, and you can ask questions.
The training that you're being given, as far as the ground school goes, it all conforms to Transport Canada's required knowledge guide. And it is being taught by a licensed flight instructor. You know, we go a little bit more in depth into each topic to make sure that there is a better understanding of each section rather than just touching and skimming through it. And I think that's important because the more in depth we go, the better understanding that our pilots have, the safer those pilots are going to be. In the classroom, we're talking about everything from theory of flight, air regulations, meteorology, flight planning.